Hi, my name is Professor Rosen, and I'm going to be the professor for CIS 1051. So I teach this Introduction to Problem Solving in Python course, and I've gotten some emails saying I'm not sure if this is the right class for me. I don't have much experience. I don't know how good I am at programming, and I just want to address that first in this very first video, which is that this course is intended for anyone. Whether you have no programming experience, which is the baseline assumption I had when I was making this course and designing it, or you have some background and you want to get a deeper understanding, or this is the first of many courses because this first course is required as a sequence of many, this class is for you. I worked really hard to design this course to be accessible and engaging. So I really look forward to having you join me. I just wanted to go over a couple things before we started, and a couple things you might have want to ask. So first and foremost, textbook. I'm a big believer in the affordability of textbooks, which is why this textbook is free. Click on this link to sign up for your textbook. Use this code to get you into the right course. That will keep track of this is a way it can keep track of what pages in the textbook you read, what exercises you've completed. We'll also be taking some quizzes via that platform because it's got nice auto-grading functionality. Next, this class is obviously still virtual because of the ongoing pandemic. And, I don't really want to set foot in class and catch a virus and then pass it around to my family, and I'm sure none of you do. So all the lectures, so the Tuesday, Thursday, 2 to 3:20 session, that is going to be completely virtual. To access those, you click this Zoom link over here, which is right below me, or this nice picture of me. And my email's listed here if you've got any more questions for me. For your TAs, now for your lab sections, those links are under your TAs. So I've listed whatever section you are. I didn't list the time for that, but just check what section you've signed up for in your schedule, and click on the appropriate link given the TA. So your TA's email is also listed. Just click on the Zoom link to join it. And so the vast majority of our lab sessions are virtual. One of the sections, Tamara's, is listed as an in-person. I believe that's in the tech building. I've listed that in the syllabus. That's on Mondays at 9 a.m., I believe. But if you don't want to attend in person, I will be running a simultaneous Zoom session that will be running at the same time and hooked up with Tamara's lab. So this class, even if you're registered for the in-person section, you don't actually have to step foot on campus if you don't want to. So the other things I want to note is you can find the syllabus right here if you want to get a read of it. I'll be going over it on Tuesday because I really do want to describe how this class is going to work. And also the lecture recordings. All lectures I record will be listed here. Currently, it's just got a playlist of all the lectures from the previous semester. But all the lectures that we do, I record, and they'll be going over there. The final and most important link is this invite link to Discord, which if you haven't used it, it's a big super chat room like Slack or Microsoft Teams. It has a lot of nice functionality for free users, which is what we are. So I've got a server there. You're more than I highly recommend you join because we've got tons of students, not only from this semester, but also from last semester and the previous semester before that. I found it's been very good to engage. It's also been very easy for me to respond to students' questions quickly on that platform. So I highly recommend you use that platform. Also, not only that, if you ask a question, oftentimes the student will be able to answer it before I'm able to get to it. Any and all recordings I do will also be on my YouTube channel. So if you want to look at my YouTube channel directly over here, I don't really care about your likes or subscribes because this is not something I monetize at all. So I just simply put it on YouTube because it is the most accessible platform for any device, and its auto captioning feature is pretty much good 99% of the time. So that's one of the big reasons I do that. GitHub is where I'll be using my storing my code. I'll be teaching you a bit about Git and GitHub this semester if you don't know about it, but simply put, it's just where I store my code. And you can find all the code I do in the class there. Yeah, there's a lot of moving parts. Why don't I just store it directly on Canvas? Because it's a mess, and these things are way more accessible given the platforms. And also, nobody uses the Canvas chat rooms anyway. So, what's it? What is it? What is it? Come here, Happy Feet. Come here. Anyway, this is your grader. This is your grader, Happy Feet, who was whining for attention and completely ruining my my green screen technology. And that brings me to my last. Oh, did you get caught? Did your little claws get caught in my cardigan? All right. So anyway, the last point is that 6 to 8 on Tuesdays on a weekly basis, I'll be running what I call Distraction Discord, where I will be streaming and basically available to chat with students on a very casual basis as a way to just help them get through this isolating pandemic that we're all doing. So I hope to see you there. I'll describe more about it, but the point being is that I definitely want to help you get through this class, or not just the class, but this entire situation. So anyway, I look forward to seeing you, and I will talk to you more in class.